Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, I would like to present my article entitled Psychobiological Impact of Music Therapy based on psychoneuroimmunology, systematic review, and new models. We start with introduction. Chronic disease is the leading cause of death worldwide with increasing prevalence in all age, gender, and ethnicities. Children with chronic disease are faced with complex stressor, starting from diagnosis of the disease itself, ongoing treatment, various painful and incurable symptoms of the disease. Disease can lead a stressful condition in children. So the integration between stress condition and the body biological condition over a psychoneuroimmunological perspective. One of the psychosocial therapies that can be managed psychobiological responses is music therapy. This systematic review tried to fill the gap by systematically assessing various studies related to psychobiological impact of music therapy based on psychoneuroimmunology. In addition, the current review provides recommendation for the future research to use a new model research framework related to music therapy based on psychoneuroimmunology. Okay, we continue to the method section. The guideline to conduct the systematic review is PRISMA. There are several steps in the method section. We firstly determine the inclusion and exclusion criteria, and then we establish a search strategy, and then we carry out a selection of the study. There were 10 studies included in the systematic review. And we continue to the data extraction, analysis, and synthesis. And the last, we try to identify the risk of bias with GBI critical appraisal checklist according to research design. So let's continue to the result section. In this table, show that most of study were published in 2020. It's about 50%, and the largest country was in Iran. It's about 30%, and the most frequent diagnosis was congenital heart disease. It's about 30%. So in the risk of bias table, show that all study has a good quality with the scoring range more than 75%. From this systematic review, we found 8 studies assessed the effectiveness of music therapy on psychological responses, and we found 2 studies assessed the effectiveness of music therapy on biological marker. So let's continue to the discussion section. Music therapy has a positive impact on psychological and biological marker in pediatric chronic disease. This is supported by other study, which we have explained in the discussion. So in this discussion, we also explain about how mechanism of music therapy based on psychoneuroimmunology in children with chronic disease. So we can see it in the figure section, in this figure. So when someone listening to music, the brain will experience several processes that are shaped by hippocampus, prefrontal cortex, and amygdala. Then it will stimulate the hypothalamus, which will then stimulate the pituitary to produce endorphin. Endorphin will affect on decreased stress levels. Listening to music will also stimulate a decrease in adrenocorticotropic hormone secretion, which will then affect the release of glucocorticoid. The release of large amount of glucocorticoid will affect the suppression of the immune system. And the last in this discussion, we also explain about a new model. This new model framework is built on the integration of the theory of children with chronic disease, music therapy, and psychoneuroimmunology. The model framework are divided into 3 components: input, process, and output. Input is a variety of stimuli that can affect the result. The stimuli include factors that cause stressful condition in children with chronic disease, and the process is an independent variable. The independent variable in this model is music therapy. And the last is output. Output is dependent variable, which refers to the influence caused by the independent variable. The independent variable in this new model are psychoneuroimmunological responses in the form of psychological responses, endocrinological, and immunological responses. So the last, the conclusion. The author recommended the use of music therapy as a holistic approach that can be applied in nursing service. And also, in addition, the author recommended the use of new model framework that can be used as a guide in conducting research related to music based on psychoneuroimmunology in children with chronic disease. Okay, that's all my presentation. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.